Okay, my dears, how are you doing? This is the exercise from yesterday. I'm just wanted to take notes and stuff for that and understand. So always you read the exercise carefully. It says some tablets, magnesium oxide to relieve the pain. Each tablet contains some magnesium oxide to relieve the pain. Okay, so when copy that, you write that it says magnesium oxide because you have to construct a reaction. Magnesium oxide. Good. That's supposed to react with something definitely. Otherwise, each tablet contains 100 milligrams, 80% magnesium oxide. The pain was caused by an excess of hydrochloric acid. If his stomach contains 20 cubic centimeters of HCl, how many tablets should he take to relieve the pain? Then definitely the magnesium oxide is for relieving the pain. That definitely is going to react with HCl. And then if you, since you're really good for this, you perform the reaction to the crystal cross because you're going to construct or create a halogen salt. Then what you're going to make is this MgCl2, right? And that plus definitely, if you get that, is going to be plus H2O. Well, if you balance this reaction, you're going to find something pretty easy to do. You put that there. So you have in here 2 chlorines. If you put there 2 chlorines, that's going to make it, right? 2 chlorines, and then the reaction is going to be balanced. 1 oxygen, 1 magnesium, and it's done. Now, let's read the exercise again. Each tablet contains 500 milligrams, 80% of magnesium oxide. So let's write that. 500 milligrams. So one tablet. I'm going to draw the tablet for you in here. This is the tablet. And it says at 80% of magnesium oxide. So you go to the pharmacy and you get this. You ask, give me a tablet of magnesium oxide, please. And they're going to ask how many milligrams. They're going to you say 500 milligrams. Okay. But in the label, it says 80% so of concentration. What's the meaning for that? That only the 80% of that tablet is real magnesium oxide. The rest could be other impurities and stuff like this. No one sells 100% pure on this. That's why it is a real good medicine, which is really expensive and stuff. So what I mean with that is that just a small portion until this part of here is going to be, that is the, I want to just pretend that this is the 80%, and the rest definitely is going to be 20% of, could be impurities and stuff like that. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'm definitely, then the pill is not pure. So only 80% of it is real magnesium oxide. What's the meaning for that? That you're going to do the calculation. So that 80% is magnesium oxide, right? And you know that 100%, right? The 100% is in one pill. So one pill and stuff like that, 80% and so on, so on. So definitely it's going to work something like this. So one tablet, 100% has 80% of magnesium oxide and stuff like that. You do the conversions, you do that, you do this and stuff like that. Okay, you do that conversion. You can use also regular address if you want to, so no problem. Just know that the regular address does not exist around the world and stuff. So, okay, so it is like multiplying, right? In this case, it is like multiplying. I am going to continue one tablet and stuff. I'm missing one this. And also, you know that one tablet, right? You know that one tablet, it says that has 500 milligrams, right? 500 milligrams of MgO, okay? You put that equals, and you're going to find something really interesting. It's like multiplying times 0.8. So, but anyway, 80 times 500 divided to 100, 400 milliliters, 400, sorry, milligrams. Milligrams of MgO. So one tablet of whatever this one for this exercise has only this for real magnesium oxide. So that is going to be found, that is going to be found in one tablet. I hope you understand that part. So that is going to be found, I'm going to copy here, in one tablet. Okay, the real one, because it says it's at 80%. And then with that one, you perform the calculation and stuff, because it says, how many tablets should he take to relieve the pain? Okay, so that is what I know, it's in one tablet and stuff like that. So then let's get to work. You have this, the amount of the pain was caused by excess hydrochloric acid. His stomach contains 20 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid. So 20 cubic centimeters is the same as saying 20 cubic centimeters. If you researched a little bit on the internet, this is the same as saying 20 cubic cc is the same as saying 20 cubic centimeters. It is the same as saying 20 milliliters. Okay? So knowing that, I'm going to continue with the process. So 20 milliliters of hydrochloric acid need to react specifically. And then I gave you the molarity. The molarity says 2.5 moles per liter. So, or 2.5 moles in 1,000 milliliters. So you're going to put, instead of, okay, let's pass it 2 liters in the first place. 1,000 milliliters, right, is in 1 liter of HCl. Got it? And then my reaction, my data is saying that in 1 liter, I have specifically 2.5 moles of HCl. Got it? And then you continue with the conversion, and let's use the line so you do not get confused. I'm just passing in this step, I'm just pass it from milliliters of HCl to liters of HCl, and here from liters of HCl and stuff like that. I know that in 1 liter of HCl, because the data says I have 2.5 moles of HCl. And then it also says that the 2.5 moles of HCl and stuff, the 2.5 moles of HCl, and here you continue with your conversion and read the reaction now. My reaction says what? That 2 moles of HCl, you put 2 moles of HCl, react specifically with 1 mole of MgO, which is the magnesium oxide, right? Got it? And also, you need to understand that you need to pass, sorry, the moles of MgO. 1 mole of MgO, 2 grams of MgO. You do the addition, you go to the mass of magnesium. Magnesium is 24 grams plus 16. Basically, it's 40 grams. Magnesium, yes, 40 grams of magnesium, right? And then you do that, finish the conversion and stuff like that. And here, until this point, you just transform 2 grams of magnesium. And also, you know, now let's pass it to tablets in the same conversion. I know that 1 tablet of MgO has how many grams specifically? The ones we calculated before, 400, right? In this case, milligrams, but you have grams in here. So if you pass the milligrams to grams of in here, the milligrams is the same as saying equals to 0.4 grams of MgO, right? Just for leaving it in grams, so I can put in here. Then you put in here 0.4 grams, so I cancel the grams with the upper part. Grams of MgO. If you do all of that, you're going to do the multiplying stuff, 20 times 2.5 times 40, and all of that divided to open parentheses, remember? And all of that divided to open parentheses, 1,000 times 2 times 0.4 close parentheses equals. And it's going to give you the answer of 2.5 tablets, right? Okay, so guys, I hope you got it. Please take your notes about this procedure and stuff like that. I love you kids, and it was good to share and stuff like that.